Hello guys, today I will teach you how to play stand shot properly. You will learn about different cue speeds and aiming points which allows you to have stand shot. Stand shot you can play a little bit different ways. You can play medium pace, soft, or extremely soft shots. I will give you practical examples how you can apply it and improve your stand shot control in the real games. So I will start with the classical just below cue center hit. So I will play a medium pace and I will stop cue where the red ball stays. Just like that. And I play at such a speed. Now, if I want to play softer, the only thing what I have to change is aim lower. When you aim lower, you can hit softer because it allows you to cue move backwards, but at the contact point, stop moving. So aiming lower and stuff like that. If I want to play even softer, I have to aim extremely low. So this is like Mark Williams Jeopardy does. And plus, if you want to play more power and test your cue action, you can play just around the center. And then it's also a way to play stand shot properly. But it's a little bit more difficult to do, so I'll show you three classical ways just below cue center, lower cue center, and lowest point of the cue.